Hello, very good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So, today is 28th of June 2021. This is my first video log that I'm making. So, the purpose of making this video log is to giving you, complete understanding on the new tools that we have created for the market. All right. So, yeah, so market is about to start. Time is 9:02 and pre-market has started. And, as I explained in my view, that, there will be a possibility for market to give us a very good potential move on the upside, right? But there is one thing, that we have to remember when we analyzed Bank Nifty as well as Nifty, right? We found out that, when the prices they moved up with good volume, and when they moved down, the movement of Bank Nifty in the downward direction, it was also carrying volumes. So the important area for Bank Nifty now will be 35,660 area today. That if prices are able to break this 35,660 price with high volume, then definitely we can expect market to give us a very good movement on the upside, and definitely we can expect 36,000 to be coming maybe today or maybe after next couple of days, right? But overall, if I want to create a buy position, a very good idea for me to create a buy position will be anywhere around 35,300, 35,250, and then next second dip buying that I can take place in Bank Nifty will be 35,100 or something, or to 35,000. Now in the last trading session, what we have seen is there was FII pulling out 678 crore from the equity market, and FII also withdraw 363 crore in the debt market. But there was one side which was completely on the buy side. Last time it was DII. They did the buying of 1832 crore in equity market. Probably that can be the reason why Bank Nifty and Nifty also kept on moving up and making, and Nifty making new high, and Bank Nifty broke the important supply zone of 35,000. So let's see, where market heads. As of now, what I can see in the ticker, Nifty 50 is currently trading at 15,937, 933. That's where, it is currently looking like opening roughly anywhere around like 74 to 75 points gap up opening it is about to give. So, let's see, where market opens. Now, if you want to have a look into market updates, pre-market, post-market updates, everything you want to see, we will give you all the updates. All you have to do is just visit our website. This is our website, www.elixirlearnings.com. Just go in the bottom panel, and on the bottommost panel you can find blogs section. If you click on the blog, there you will be finding latest post. What was my latest post? So latest post was Bank Nifty analysis dated 2021. This one I posted yesterday. So this is where I have clearly explained in the last trading session, Bank Nifty was able to break and give closing above important supply zone of 35,000, giving it now another potential movement on upside, right? For the next week expiry, there are two potential supply zones for Bank Nifty which are needed to be tracked. Immediate supply zone will be around 36,000. Next supply zone will be 36,500. And for supports, the first immediate support zone for Bank Nifty now will be this area only, the area which got broken in the last trading session. That will be the first immediate area for Bank Nifty to start becoming bearish. But if prices are able to give a closing or breaking this area with volume at any point of time in any day, then yes, we can start expecting again bearish move to be coming in the market, and probably we can expect prices to be reaching back till the next demand zone of 34,000, right? So these are overall expectations. Now next thing is next thing what I have also written here is that expectation on Monday. Yes, when we see the intraday chart movement on Bank Nifty in the last trading session, when prices moved up, they moved up with high volumes and cumulative long position from opening price till the topmost price. They went up till like 11,000 lots, right? 11,000 lots were in net long position when prices were trading somewhere around here, right? When the prices started coming down, there was reduction in 4,000 lots that took place, because of which prices ultimately did not give any closing. The volumes were high, because of which prices did not give closing near the topmost price of the day. They ultimately gave the closing very much near, I'll say roughly above the average price of the day, right? So for the next trading session, what I have written here after that, that is, expectation is another bullish movement. Buying on the dips can be a good idea. That's what I'm, I told you just now that, buying on the dips will be good idea, probably around, these demand zones. If the prices come down till these demand zones and they take support, they give reversal confirmation. Yes, we are good to create a reversal trade positions in Bank Nifty. Also, there is one more reason. When the prices from top till this point, when the prices came down, why prices also came down? Because, writing was still increasing on call sides as well as on put sides. Writings were increasing. Now, one thing definitely that is there. All right. So market has got frozen just now. Yeah, before that, before giving you update on market, I'll just, show you now. I'll give you just three things. That is, if at all you want to visit our website, you can directly click on this link, elixirlearnings.com. If you want to, be part of our Telegram channel, then you can click here, and here we will keep on updating all our daily market updates, right? Every single thing related to live market updates. In fact, this blog also will be posted here. So if at all you want to, be part of it, you can definitely join this. And you can also visit our YouTube channel. This is the link for our YouTube channel. So yeah, hope to see you all there. Now let me just give you update on market. All right, so market has got frozen, and just now Nifty 50, it is showing us opening 0.35% gap up. Nifty Next 50 is opening 0.3% gap up. Nifty IIT is opening 0.17% gap up. Nifty Bank is opening not with a very high gap up opening. It is showing us only 0.35%, only 123 points gap up opening is taking place in it. Let me see the spot prices for Bank Nifty, so that I can get a rough idea where Bank Nifty is opening. Highly likely 488 or something, 488 is roughly here. Okay, very much near the topmost price or something. That's where prices are opening. So futures might be opening around 640. There is a huge difference between premiums. The futures prices, they are running roughly with like 200 rupees of premium right now. So like 334 earlier, yesterday they were definitely running with a gap of around 200 premium price. Today the pricing is little bit reduced after showing this gap up opening. Market is about to open 9:15, and if prices are able to break this area, and this is what I'll keep a track on. If prices right at the opening bell are able to break this upper price area with volume, it will be a breakout trade, and definitely we can expect prices to reach around 36,000 level, definitely, right? But if that doesn't come, if market right at the opening bell starts visiting lots of selling pressure, then definitely we can expect prices to come down, maybe retest this 35,300 302 area. Definitely then we can expect out of prices. Let's see what happens in market. Yeah, coming back to the indices gap up opening, Nifty 100 is opening with 0.34% gap up. Nifty mid cap 100 is opening 0.38% gap up. Nifty mid cap 50 is opening 0.56% gap up. Nifty infra is opening 0.55% opening, and Nifty media 0.35% gap up opening. When we talk about the biggest gainer again today in this session also, Nifty PSU Bank, it is again opening 0.94. It is the topmost gainer for today, Nifty PSU Bank and Nifty Energy. And what are the contributors in Nifty PSU Bank? So the stocks which are making Nifty PSU Bank opening gap up is Punjab National Bank, Canara Bank. Yeah, there is one thing that I would like to show you, that Canara Bank can be definitely looked into for creation of some sort of position on bull side. That's what you can look into. This Canara Bank will be opening, it is showing us gap up opening. All right, so this is the area that I'm looking into. Canara Bank, just a minute, why data is okay. So I think let me show you here. So Canara Bank is opening roughly around 154 from 154 or something, above this area on the daily chart. There can be a very good potential bull move that can take place in Canara Bank. So this is what you can keep a watch on. I was studying it last night, and this is one thing that I found out, that it was range bound from past couple of days. If prices are able to break this upper price area with volume, definitely we can expect Canara Bank to be giving us a very good bull movement. Okay, so definitely keep Canara Bank in your watch to buy it above 156, 157. If prices are able to break this area with volume, definitely we can expect 160 or maybe, upper price levels in coming days, right? So that's what, overall about it. And let's come back to Bank Nifty. Now, one thing that I would like to show you now, how our tools are going to be helpful to you. So if you visit our website, here you will be finding couple of tools, right? If you click on read more, there is this complete section explaining the tools that we have right now, available for you. That is Elixir Quantifier, and this is a complete package. Elixir Quantifier is a complete package, and it has all the important tools which are required for making your right trading decision at right point of time. These are definitely next generation tools and screeners for stock selection. The first and foremost tool that we have kept here is FNO dashboard. This will show you all the bulls and bear activities that are taking place in the market. Second one is Nifty dashboard, which is showing you price gainer, price losers, OI gainer, OI losers, dedicatedly showing you for Nifty, right? And next one is price versus open interest dynamics that are taking place in Bank Nifty options. And last one is Bank Nifty option chain, open interest option chain. This is open interest option chain showing you dynamics of changing open interest on every strike price on live basis, right? So what you have to do, how you have to subscribe for it, currently we are giving, I'll explain that part also because market is about to start. I'll explain that part also later. What you have to do, just go ahead and click on enrolled courses, and just straight away, first you have to log in into it, and if you have got the access to it, just straight away click on tools and screener. Here I'll do one thing. I'll straight away first launch FNO dashboard, right? After launching FNO dashboard, the moment market will be live, this FNO dashboard will start showing you straight away at the opening bell. Time is 9:14, 9:15. The moment 9:15 happens, it will start showing you updation of data, and it will start showing you where the big bull activity and big bear activity is taking place, topmost bull and bear activity that are taking place in number of lots. So let's see, market is about to start. Yeah, okay, all right. So data has started updating, and bulls and bears positions, they have started coming here. Market is showing you, wow, so there is topmost bear position right now, it is taking place. If I click on long or short position, it will show me straight away top bull positions. Bull positions currently are taking place in Bank Nifty and Bank Baroda, VEDL, Kotak Bank, iBull Housing Finance, IGL. That's where long positions are gaining as of now. And when we click on short positions, it is Nifty which is showing us 221, 236 right now. You can see these are the tickers which are running on live basis. It is showing you where bears and bulls are being active in the market. Let me just show you right now whether Bank Nifty has long positions or not, right? So yes, the Bank Nifty has definitely net long position right now, and prices, they have opened up here 700 or something. They straight away swiftly moved up till like 36,000 or something, and then immediately came down till 35,636. Whether this move was a fake one, yes, this was a fake one only. But overall, in the delta, in the order flow chart, we can see, yes, there are long positions right now which are forming in Bank Nifty. People are buying aggressively Bank Nifty. So overall, now it looks like prices have defined a range on the upside. They have also defined the range on downside. Looks like today is going to be a sideways day. That's what it looks like. Defining this one should not have happened. But if this thing has already now taken place, so what now we can expect prices to be reaching and testing this 36,000 area now for the day. And lower area will definitely be this closing price of previous day, and maybe this one. If at all this area does not get broken broken today, then definitely we can expect prices to simply keep moving up and maybe retesting the higher price area and even reaching eventually around 36,000. Definitely we can expect that. Let's have a look into now FNO dashboard. What's happening in FNO dashboard? This is the first dashboard that we can see right now. IGL is the one which is showing us. So first 5 minutes are done. After first 5 minutes, what I can see, top long position right now, they are happening in IGL, Bank Baroda, Bank Nifty, HDFC, Kotak Bank, Voltas. so on and so forth. Let's have a look into them one by one, and also have a look into top short position gainers right now. Right, so it is Nifty, Reliance, HDFC Life, and SAIL. These are the ones which are on the losing side. Let's have a look into gainers right now. So, if I show you gainers, IGL is already up by 3.7%. Indraprastha Gas Limited. Yeah, so you can see now using this tool, you can see right now in the first 5 minutes itself what kind of big bull movement have already taken place in IGL, right? And after first 5 minutes, it has given you straight away confirmation. If you were fast enough, then you will be able to do some sort of quick scalping where the big momentum is happening. The IGL is the first one. Second one, if I show you right now, it is Bank Baroda. Bank Baroda is the one which is also okay. So there you go. You have got your stock for the day. This is Bank Baroda. Now, it is able to give a breakout above and above an important area of 87 or something, and prices are giving a breakout above that. 2 rupee of stop loss. With the 2 rupee of stop loss, we can think about creation of our bull position in it. Why Bank Baroda is good for us to create a buy position? Because it is giving a breakout right now, and breakout is carrying very high volume. How you are able to find it out, high volume and high volumetric trading? This tool is showing you straight away topmost long position gainers right now. 1,000 lots they are already gaining in Bank Baroda as of now. 1,060, 1,080, people are simply buying 1,100 right now. What is happening in bank? Have a look into this movement of Bank Baroda. It is straight away moving in the upward direction only right now. So whether this tool is good for you or not, you can decide for yourself. This will definitely help you in creation of your long position. It is just straight away gaining on the upside only. It is right now moving up only. And let's just segregate few more stocks. If at all, just imagine, if you are creating a buy position in futures, and let's say if you are creating a buy position anywhere around like 87, let's say that prices come down till 87 point, till 86.8 to 86.3, 87.3, prices start taking support from here and then again start moving back till higher level. Definitely we can expect a big movement on the upside. But let's say that when prices come down, there was very high volume, and prices were supporting downfall in Bank Baroda, then only we can expect prices to be coming down. Otherwise we can leave it. Now IGL is again gaining. IGL is again gaining long position right now as per the tool. 4.18% up. It is already it is already gaining the long position. It is already giving you. So by looking into this FNO dashboard, you will be able to, one thing is for sure, you will be able to gauge straight away right at the opening bell that which side I should look for creation of my position, whether it should be bull side or it should be a bear side. Yeah, so you will be able to gauge whether a bull side is good for me or a bear side is good for me straight away. If you click on short position right now, Nifty is showing us short positions right now, which is forming in Nifty. Only 790 lots are there in the short position. Bank Nifty 933 lots are in long position. So both of them, they are kind of running in mismatch with each other. If Bank Nifty is in long position right now and Bank Baroda is gaining long position as of now, that means Bank Nifty is again now on the gain side right now, and Bank Baroda is the one which is right now gaining long positions. So definitely it looks like 87.45 it has now reached. Have a look into Bank Baroda again. Yeah, this is where now the prices have reached 87.4 or something. There are less volumetric trading that are taking place when the prices are coming down. That means we can expect some sort of reversal back on the upper side in Bank Baroda. Let's see whether that will happen or not. First 15 minutes are about to get over. Let's have a look into result of first 15 minutes, how prices they are currently reacting. All right, so there is in terms of long position, Bank Baroda, Bank Nifty, IGL, Canara Bank is now coming in the gainers list. As I told you before the start of market, Canara Bank 158.35, that's where it is currently trading at. let's have a look into this. And yeah, this is the one, 2.62% right now in long position. But yeah, straight away have a look into this. The positions they are right now gaining in Canara Bank. Will it be a good idea? Decide for yourself now. Will it be good idea for yourself to create a buy position or not? Prices have given us. This is what I told you before start of market. Canara Bank looks like good to buy above it, and now you know that there are long positions that are gaining right now since morning. It is also coming in the watch list, and Canara Bank is gradually, shifting on the upper side. There is also, as per price and open interest relationship, there is also a long build-up that is taking place. When we talk about long position, Canara Bank also has long position of 387 lots in futures, and so that is straight away a case for us that yes, we can think about creation of our long position in it. Either we can buy call option, might not be a good idea to create a buy position. I think you can either buy it in equity. See, call option, if you are buying it positionally and the stock is moving very slow, that might not be a good idea then to create a buy position. Or you can do one thing, you can buy little bit in the money call option with the stop loss if at all prices go below 155 or something, right? So at any point of time, if you are creating any position, there is always a risk reward ratio that you have to follow, that you should be capable of doing. If you are not capable of doing, I would highly recommend to all of you to look for getting training from any good trainer. Okay, so now let's have a look into, there are few stocks which are right now still on the short side. It is bank, it is Reliance, it is Nifty Bank, sorry, it is Nifty, it is Reliance. Let me show you Reliance short positions which are gaining as of now. 2125, that's the running price of Reliance is, and it has also net short position, but prices are still range bound, so these short position can also get absorbed in Reliance. Let's see whether that will happen or not. No one can guarantee in that regard, but yes, we can expect prices to right now this short positions are not big enough compared to the positions that were there yesterday, so prices are also trading inside bar, inside the body of previous day, so we can wait for creation of short position in it. Now let's just come down till Nifty is the one which is having very much right now 673 lots are still in net short position in Nifty, which is still not a very big short position. Let me show you now Nifty 15,966, that's where prices are currently trading, and it is facing 925.75, that's where prices are currently trading at. Yes, so short positions are there in Nifty, but still not a big short positions, right? As they are getting reduced as and when the prices are making a new high, like 15,930, they are about to make a new high, and you can see here short positions are still reducing. For Nifty, it is showing us 561 lots are now in net short positions in Nifty. When we talk about long positions, Bank Nifty is gaining long position, right? Bank Nifty is gaining long position 1860, 64, 65, 67, it is just simply straight away increasing, which looks like that there can be a potential movement on potential bull movement that can take place on in Bank Nifty today, right? So we have a case for us, and all the conditions are meeting, and sideways and slow expectation, slow movement, but movement on the bull side, that's what the overall expectation is as of now. But if at all prices are able to break this low with volume, if supply appears in Bank Nifty, if prices are able to break this low with volume, there can be a potential movement on bear side that can take place in Bank Nifty. Right now bulls are trying to keep a hold on to Bank Nifty. Positions are right now still on the bull side in Bank Nifty. Let's see whether that will continue to give upside momentum in Bank Nifty or not. But yeah, so overall I'll tell you one concept. See, actually Nifty and Bank Nifty, whenever on any particular day, if Nifty and Bank Nifty both of them are running in synchronized with each other, That means if Bank Nifty is also gaining long position and Nifty is also gaining long position, and both of them are running in sync with each other, that is the day wherein you can expect trending movement to be taking place, in both the indices at the same time. But if at all both of them are not running in sync with each other, if Nifty is having short position, Bank Nifty is having long position, then in that case we have to wait for them to show us which indices will be moving the other one, like whether Nifty will be driving Bank Nifty or Bank Nifty will be driving Bank Nifty, either in upside or in downside. That's what we have to wait for. So the charts that you are currently looking at, they are order flow charts. This is where we can have a look into where bears are currently creating their position and bulls are creating their positions. Right now the chart is very much filled with short term traders. Not a big institution is active as of now in Bank Nifty. It is only short term traders who are being active right now, and short term traders, that means retailers, are being active right now. Big institutions, they are not active. So if retailers are active, which direction they are currently active? They are active on the bull side, right? Yeah, so that's pretty much about it. Let's see right now the update which are currently taking place in FNO dashboard. They are showing us Bank Nifty is still having like 1800 lots in net long position as of now. IGL, Dr. Reddy is also the one which is currently gaining position, and Canara Bank is also there, BHEL, HDFC. Let me show you one more dashboard now. So this is the one, price versus open interest. The second tool that you will be having access to. So this is the one which will start showing you for at the money strike prices what is happening with open interest as well as prices, right? So open interest is represented here in this blue line, and prices, they will be showing you updation on every tick by tick. Right now currently what we have done, we have created this upgradation of chart on every tick by tick basis, but later on we will be planning to making it little bit slower, little bit updation maybe after every 3 minutes or something, because see what happens, open interest, it updates after every 3 minutes, right? There is always a delay of 3 minutes in open interest upgradation updation. So that's the reason why we might be making this these charts to be little bit lagging, right? So 35,600, it is showing us which is at the money strike price. At the money strike price is 35,500. As per that, open interest is also rising in call side, open interest is also rising on put side since the opening bell. 35,600, if we have a look into, there is a crossover that is taking place on call side. That means prices are running sideways in this call option, and open interest is also rising there. That means when we talk about build-ups, long build-up, short build-up, in case of options there is a little bit difference. If open interest is rising, that means we always say that short positions are increasing, right? Short positions are increasing, that means writers, they are increasing their short position in option. They are writing as much as possible in these options, right? So that's what it is. Let me show you the third tool. This is the one which is showing you updation of open interest that are taking place in Bank Nifty. So as per this tool, 35,500 call option is still showing us increase of 70,000 lots on call side, and on put side there is 37,572 lots are in net open interest on put side, that has increased up till 37,000 lots. So today open interest is also rising there, and as and when the prices will be moving, this open interest will also keep on changing. In future there will be more and more updates that will take place in this ticker. As and when any strike price will change, this will also start showing you updation of which strike price is the central strike price. The third one is, the last one is Nifty dashboard. If I show you Nifty dashboard, this will right at opening, it will start showing you what are all the stocks which are right now gaining, right now, they which are price gainers, which are price losers, top OI gainers, top OI losers. It will also show you, there is some data mismatch is there here. I'll look into that and I'll fix that problem. There is some data mismatch is there. So anyways, yeah, but FNO dashboard, it is running fine, showing us there is increase in long position. Okay, so bank nifty currently showing us prices have again come down, and there is a short position gaining right now on this strike price. Prices are, they are coming down, and they are coming down in a big manner. They are coming down with volume, right? 26,000 lots, 26,000 quantity that has already got traded in this candle. So which gives us a crystal clear condition now. If at all prices are able to go below this price area, then there might be a possibility for bank nifty to even reach till 35, the area that we mentioned here on the charts also. In medium, let me show you. Yeah, so this is the area where we are expecting, but since incoming supply is rising, if prices, they are coming down, and they are coming down with volume, then there can be a very good possibility for prices to even reach and retest these price area 35,310. And if supply is very high, then these price area can also be broken down with high volume. So this is what we have to keep as a watch for us. Maybe nifty might be dragging bank nifty on the downside. Let's have a look into short positions which are gaining right now in nifty. So nifty is kind of running flat, and yes, I think let's have a look into order flow chart of nifty. There might be a possible short position. Yes, short positions are gaining actually in nifty, which is ultimately making prices right now drag in the downward direction. So nifty is gaining short positions, but still it is not a very high volumetric trading that is currently taking place in nifty. Volumetric trading is definitely there. In some volumetric trading has already taken place in bank nifty. Let's see what takes place. That's I think that's pretty much about the tools and screeners as of now. Let me show you one last time. In this last candle, prices have come down with less volume. So let's see whether prices will be able to further give momentum on the upside or not. That will be there. But yes, so as of now, what I'll do, I'll have a look into the tools. Right now showing nifty is having net short position of 1182. Then there is HDFC Life and Reliance, SBIN, Tata Steel, VEDL, Idea, HDFC Bank, IndusInd Bank, Titan, JSW Steel. All of them are having net short position. When we talk about long position, it is IGL. It is still carrying long position. Bank Baroda is also carrying long position. Bank Nifty is also carrying long position, but those long positions, they have got reduced in Bank Nifty. Adani ENT is right now one contender which has started gaining the positions on the long side. Let's have a look into Adani ENT. All right, Adani ENT, this is the gap resistance area for Adani ENT, guys. If volumetric trading is happening and bull positions are gaining in it, there can be breakout that can take place in Adani ENT. Right, there can be a very good breakout that can take place in Adani ENT on the bull side. This is where topmost positions are gaining on long side. Right now, all of a sudden there is a build up that is taking place. Since morning there was nothing much activity that was there, but there is this gap resistance area wherein Adani ENT can also take resistance. But since incoming demand is very high, there can be a potential breakout on upside that can also take place in Adani ENT. So yeah, so that's pretty much about it. Thank you for giving your time. And if at all you want to subscribe to our channel, you can go ahead and visit our channel, visit our website, that is www.elixirlearnings.com. On the bottommost part, you can find link for our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can find link to our Telegram channel. Subscribe to our Telegram channel. I'm signing off for today. Thank you for giving your time. Bye bye. Take care. Have a lovely day.